Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on YouTube? You guys have tuned into Rules for Rebels. It's Saturday morning. Just got back from the gym. Got my coffee. Figured we'd knock out a quick video here. Here's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use your cryptocurrency to run ads, to run paid ads for your e-commerce business, your Shopify store, a t-shirt you're selling on Amazon merch that you want to promote, your Redbubble store, maybe you want to promote an affiliate link and drive some traffic to an affiliate link, or heck, maybe you just want to promote a blog post or your YouTube channel or a YouTube video you made. Whatever you want traffic going to, you can use paid ads on the Presearch search engine and get some free traffic driven. Now, if you guys have used Google ads, Bing ads, Facebook ads, kind of similar concept, I'll kind of take you guys over here and we'll do a search and I'll show you what these ads look like. Similar concept, but on those platforms, it's a bid system and you're paying per click. So every time somebody clicks your ad, you're paying, 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, a dollar, depending on the competitiveness of your keywords, even hundreds of dollars per click. With this, you're not paying per click. You are staking your cryptocurrency behind a certain keyword. And as long as you are the person paying, or as long as you are the person who has the most cryptocurrency staked, you'll be able to dominate that keyword and you'll get all the traffic from that keyword. So starting this out, I'm going to provide some links down below. I'm going to link you guys to Presearch. There's a video that kind of explains the staking as well. If you sign up using my affiliate link, you will get 25 pre-tokens for free. That's about $6. Full disclosure, you do need 100 pre-tokens in order to actually run ads, but you can also earn cryptocurrency just by using the search engine. So just by using the search engine, you can earn free crypto that you can wind up using to stake and therefore run ads. So I'm gonna put my link down below so you guys can get 25 bucks. In terms of buying pre, it's on Uniswap, it's on KuCoin. Or you can buy it directly through this app, or you can just use the search engine and earn it. One thing I'll let you know, I would buy it through this app with Bitcoin, unless you're going to buy a significant amount. I actually bought mine on KuCoin, and when I went to withdraw, I think I bought 500 pre. When I went to withdraw it and send it over to the pre-browser and my account over here, they wound up charging me 150 pre tokens in order to make the transfer. So KuCoin was kind of expensive. Other coins aren't as bad, but this is like a number 326, kind of obscure coin, and it runs on the Ethereum blockchain, which is also expensive as well. So I would buy them through these ads, through this platform. It will save you from having to pay 150 pre to take it off KuCoin. But I will drop my affiliate link down to KuCoin as well. KuCoin does not require any KYC info. They have BNB, Crypto.com, a lot of the coins that you can't get on other exchanges, and you can withdraw 1 Bitcoin per day. I mean, what is that? I haven't even checked Bitcoin prices lately, but I'm guessing that's about 40 grand right now. You can withdraw 1 Bitcoin worth of crypto per day without giving any KYC information. So without further ado, let's hop over here to Presearch. Now, what's something that we might want to search? Maybe we want to search Bitcoin t-shirt. Let's see if anyone's running an ad. And right here, you see up here at the top right, it says 5.016. That's how much pre that I have earned just from using the search engine. So about a quarter per pre. I've been using the search engine for about a day and a half. And I've earned, what's that, $1 and a quarter just for using this search engine. Now, when I search Bitcoin t-shirt, the search result here we get is FTX.com. So the FTX cryptocurrency marketplace is running an ad here. Let me try to think of something more obscure. Let me pause it while I think. My mind always reverts to paddleboards. So let's just search paddleboard and see what we get. Okay, so you see here it says your ad here, try staking, official Presearch. So this is basically an ad to advertise to me that I can run an ad and have this ad space. So nobody has this one right now. If you want to search for uncompetitive keywords that nobody's staking for, you can just run searches on here until you pop up with something that doesn't have an ad, and then it's not going to be competitive. So let's pretend that we want to come over here and run an, we're not going to run an ad for paddleboards because Actually, you know, let's try something else. I got a t-shirt on Amazon merch. Let's see what happens when we search marijuana. I'm guessing somebody's bidding on this one. I was thinking about making another video, drivetome.com, marijuana. Let's see if marijuana shirt anybody has. I was going to do drive to me again. Let's see, marijuana t-shirt. I was going to do a video about, you know, how passive is Amazon merch, or, you know, something about, basically, I haven't logged into my Amazon merch account in a couple years. I shouldn't say that. I logged in a couple weeks ago, threw up a couple shirts, but I really haven't used my Amazon merch account in a couple years. So I logged in recently, and I was kind of surprised to see that I'm still making $50 to $70 per week off shirts that I started creating back in 2016, 2017, things like that. At one point, I was making about $1,200 a month, pretty consistently, $1,200 to $1,400 a month. I wound up getting hit with some trademark troll who wound up getting all my t-shirts taken down. So, you know, not making nearly that much, but again, what, 50 to 70 a week, conservatively speaking, that's what, 200 a month. So it is pretty passive. I haven't touched it in a couple years and still making a couple $100 a month. I wanted to advertise this drugs are bad shirt. So, what we're going to do here, we're going to go over to, this is keywords.presearch.org, and this is a dashboard. So I had some ads running. I think I might be able to make some money off this kind of interesting niche that I had. So sorry, guys, but I don't want to share it with you. So I deleted those, and we're going to start from scratch. Like I said, I initially bought 500 pre. I moved it over here. It cost me 150, which was kind of a ripoff, but I just wanted to kind of get my feet wet and see how this worked. And it's going to cost me 100 pre. That's the minimum that we can run for each ad. I wish it were lower so that I could find uncompetitive keywords and just stake like 5 pre and get those keywords, but they do make you run 100. So let's see what happens when we type in drugs. So the max stake is 207, and Weed Maps is actually running this. I might do something about drug testing. I have a good affiliate program for drug testing. So the person who is running, so the company weedmaps.com is, let's see this. I'll just kind of show you guys here. So Weed Maps come up. And this is Weed Maps. It's like a site where you can find dispensaries and things like that. I'm kind of surprised how many larger companies are running ads, or at the very least, affiliates are running ads on behalf of larger companies. But we're going to have to stake over 207 pre in order to get the #1 spot. So what we're going to do, we're going to click stake this. And we'll stake, I think I got 350. So we want to get an outbid notification. So if somebody bids over me, I'll be notified right away, and I can up my ad. And we're going to be advertising this drugs are bad shirt. Let's see. Okay. So we're going to get that link there. And we're going to head back over here. So the link that we're going to run our ad to is this shortened Amazon link. And this is a, let's see, how do we want to describe it? We'll describe this as funny drugs are bad t-shirt. We'll do like a pillar and free shipping. We'll do buy on Amazon, get free shipping. Okay, grab yourself this funny, cute, whistling smiley. Actually, we'll change this. Great shirt to wear while doing drugs. So we're going to stake 350. Drugs are bad t-shirt. Buy on Amazon, get free shipping. Great shirt to wear while doing drugs. We're going to agree to the terms. We're going to click next. And this is what our ad's going to look like. Funny, drugs are bad t-shirt. Buy on Amazon. If I wanted to change the amount that I have staked, I can do that. If I want to cancel the stake, I can do that, or I can go back to our dashboard. Now, on our dashboard here, I like this. This is like really simplified, really straightforward. We got 350 pre-staked. Right now we are position number 1. We can see how many times our ad has been viewed, as well as how many ad clicks there have been. So let's come back over to Presearch. And we're just going to search the term drugs. Okay, and here you see my ad. Funny, drugs are bad t-shirt. Buy on Amazon, get free shipping. Great shirt to wear while doing drugs. And it's going to take them over to the shirt. I used my Amazon affiliate link. So not only am I going to earn $5 when this t-shirt sells, but also I'm going to earn an extra, what's Amazon pay for the affiliate program? 4% probably. I'm going to earn an extra 4% because I used my affiliate link. So I'm kind of doubling up on earnings. And then if we go back over to the dashboard here, you can see my shirt has gotten, I'm still position 1. My shirt has gotten 2 views and I got 1 ad click. And I can just continue. I'm out of pre right now, but I could just continue running ads like that. So I think this is pretty cool. There's a video here that kind of explains how pre-staking works. See, what is staking? Free traffic for affiliate. Okay, so they're kind of heavily advertising this for affiliate marketers. There's one thing I'm not really clear on. Now, typically when you stake, there's some type of, you're earning an APR or an APY. There's some type of cash reward for staking. Now, what's not clear to me is right now I have 350 pre-token staked. So am I going to earn 5% on whatever staked, and I'm going to get a cash reward in addition to the ability to run ads? Or am I not actually earning an APR or APY, but basically my reward for staking my pre or tying up my pre is the fact that I'm able to get some free traffic? I have a feeling it's the latter, but I'm not sure about that. If any of you guys know, let me know. And I've been, maybe I'll see if they got a subreddit or something like that and see if I can get that question answered. And if so, I'll come back and drop a comment here and pin it to the top, let you guys know what the answer to that question is. But overall, I like this project. I think it's a pretty cool project. There's a cap of 500 million coins, which, it's not 21 million like Bitcoin, but it's not it's not in the billions. There's not unlimited coins like Dogecoin or Shiba or a lot of these other crazy coins out there. There typically has to be more coins out there when you actually need to use the coins to utilize a project or when a coin has some utility. And if people are going to be using these coins to run ads, there needs to be a fair amount of coins out there. The high price of this token is like just under 50 cents. Right now it's sitting at about 24 cents. It's market cap or market rank number like 326, I think it is. So it's outside of the top 100 coins enough that it still has some room for growth, but not so far out that it's just an obscure coin. And then also, I kind of like coins that you can actually use that actually have some utility. Not a ton of people use this search engine. I think it's about 10 million people per month use the search engine. So, I mean, it is being used. There is traffic here. But I believe something like 80 million people per month use something like DuckDuckGo. And DuckDuckGo, in comparison to Google, Yahoo, Bing, makes up like 1% of search traffic. So this is obviously going to be much less. This project has been around since 2017. It always kind of worries me when a project's been around for a long time and hasn't kind of risen. But I mean, 326 is pretty big, and it seems like this project is kind of seeing a surge in popularity, especially as we're seeing centralized services being abused. Things like with the whole Canadian truckers, having their money seized from GoFundMe, having their money seized from Give, Send, Go. Trudeau and the Canadian government are now giving banks the ability to seize anybody's bank account without a court order, without violating any laws, and they're being given complete immunity. If they think you're doing something nefarious, if they think you're donating to the truckers, they can seize your bank account. So a lot of people are calling on a run on the banks in Canada. I know 4chan is kind of calling for that, but this makes it much, much more attractive to keep your money in crypto, and I think it also makes it more attractive to use search engines besides Google that aren't going to give you results that only fit a certain narrative, or they aren't going to censor certain results from you. And if you got some crypto sitting there not doing anything, you can stake it and, like I said, drive traffic to your e-commerce business, your Shopify store, your blog, your YouTube channel, an affiliate link you want to promote, whatever else. And then if anybody on the off chance wants to buy my Drugs Are Bad t-shirt, I'll link down below to where you can snag one of these as well. So that's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If so, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button. If you want me to go into any other topics about Presearch, let me know. I think this is going to be, I've noticed I'm earning a lot faster using this search engine than I was with the Brave browser. So I'll probably continue using this one. And I actually kind of like how it works. I kind of showed you guys the other day how I can search very specific things. So, you know, if I want to search something about paddleboarding, but I only want to hear from Reddit people, you know, I can click that and I'm only going to get Reddit results, or it's going to search on Reddit for me. If I only want to see the results on Twitter about paddleboards, I can just search Twitter. And there's 95 different modules here that I can run searches on. I can run a search on here, and if I'd rather get the... I can run a search on here where I search all these different places. And if I'd rather have the Google results, you know, I can click that and go over to the Google results. So overall, pretty cool. I'm just rambling at this point, so I'm going to cut the video off. If you guys enjoyed this video, again, thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button below. Link will be below for you guys to collect your 25 pre-tokens, and I will catch you on the next video. Later, guys. Peace.